everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be trying a bloom technique. I haven't taken the course, so I'm just winging it, but I'm definitely having fun trying all kinds of different recipes. But we're going to give this little piggy pigments and the primary elements, the Bling It series from Color Art. Those are what I'm going to be using. So there's no tube paints in this, it's all pigments. And white house paint I have on my spinner. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And of course, everybody that keeps coming back, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I love all your comments and all your thumbs up. When I get home from work and get to read it all, it really does make my day. So keep them coming, you guys. And again, thank you. Greg's going to hit some music, and I'm just going to have some fun. See what happens. Wish me luck. Thanks again, everyone.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Ooh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do. Ooh, and from the fields of flowers you chose to pick me. You're spreading sugar on my misery. And I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. And I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. Read me like a magazine. I don't wanna be made of paper dreams. You always get me out of my head again. Swear I'm just a mess in a pretty dress, but you're coming steady on my spinning out. I'm just fine kissing in your backseat, call you mine, listening to your sleep. Think I might need you more than I thought. If I'm gonna be bending over backwards for anyone, it's you. you played your way through all my games. Now I'm wrapped up in you. And your denim jacket let me have it. You took on all of my sad and made it all feel new. I'm just fine, kissing in your backseat, call you mine, listening to you sleep, think I might need you more than I thought. If I'm gonna be handing over my hurt, if I'm gonna be bending over backwards for anyone, it's you. If I'm honest, you're my favorite part of me, my favorite part of me. I'm just fine, kissing in your backseat, call you mine, listening to you sleep, think I might need you more than I thought. I'm just fine, kissing in your backseat, call you mine, listening to you sleep, think I might need you more than I thought. If I'm gonna be handing over my hurt, if I'm gonna be bending over backwards, if I'm gonna be bending over backwards for anyone, it's you. I twist and turn to be just what you need. Even though I know you'd never ask me to, I'd bend over backwards for you.
I've never known a love so steady. Even gold won't turn your tide. We flow together like an ocean, every low and every high. And I would have you anyway, dear, any way your heart could bear. Even if you had to leave me, I'd always be waiting here. Even when we are apart, I will keep you in my heart. And I wouldn't change a thing, even if I were the king. I've never known a brighter sunset, but every day I see it rise. I never thought it could be better until I saw it in your eyes. Even when we are apart, I will keep you in my heart. I will hold the world at bay just to see you smile again. And when time begins to fade, I will love you just the same. And I wouldn't change a thing, even if I were the king.
Been nothing more than friends this whole time. Summertime skipping rocks so innocent. I never thought I'd ever hold your hand, but there's something in the sunset feels different this time. There's a feeling, if you feel it, baby, I don't wanna hide. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever. We can give this whole town something to talk about. We don't gotta pretend, don't gotta dance around it, no. I've been dreaming about a midnight, all night kind of kiss, making up for everything we ever missed. Yeah, there's something about your sweet smile, it's just different this time. So baby, lean in like you mean it, put your lips on mine. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can start a whole new chapter. Find our happy ever after. The only way to know is ask her, yeah, baby. We don't gotta stay friends forever, we can cross that line together. Find love, baby, never say never. After all this time, I just wanna take a step in a new direction. I wanna tell you what I failed to mention. We can fly a couple of birds of a feather. We don't gotta stay friends forever. We don't gotta stay friends forever. No.